Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Linux alongside Windows. To do this we'll need a USB drive. Linux has a file that you can download from the internet. In this video I will be installing Ubuntu alongside Windows 10. We will also need Rufus to burn the image to flash drive. The link to download it will be in the description. First we need to create the space for installing the new operating system. For that we need to open the disk management in Windows. I am shrinking some space from my D drive. In the disk management, right click on the drive, select shrink volume. Now enter the amount of space to shrink. I have selected 15 GB but you can use some more or less. Now we need to burn the Linux image to your drive. For that we'll need to open Rufus and plug in the USB drive. Then we need to select the Linux file so that we download it. Next thing we need is to select the partition style. To check which partition style your system is currently using, go to Disk Management by right clicking the Windows Start, right click on the hard drive and select the properties. Go to Volumes and check the partition style. Mine is GPD, so I will be selecting GPD in Rufus. Now click on Start and select Write as DD image. If the DD image option is not available or not working, select default option. Now reboot your computer and boot into boot menu by pressing the special key. If you don't know the boot key, just Google it. In the boot menu, select the USB drive. On the next screen, select Try Ubuntu without installing. Now click on Install Ubuntu. Select proper options and continue. In the installation type, select something else. Now select the 15 GB free space that we created. Assign 2048 MB memory for swap area. Press OK. Now again select the free space and now set the mount point to / which is the root directory. Now click on install now and press continue. Enter necessary details and it will take some time to install. After the installation is finished, restart the computer. Now your Linux distro will be installed alongside Windows. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like if this video helped. For more stuff like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next one.